In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have your Meta Pixel, also known as the Facebook Pixel, connected so you can track visits, optimize ads, and build better retargeting audiences. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and hit Enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Make sure you use the account that owns the website you want to connect, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step for security. After you're logged in, look to the top right and click your profile name or initials to open the account menu. From there, choose My Products. This page lists everything in your account. Find the website you want to track and click it to open the site editor. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one to avoid publishing changes to the wrong project. Inside the editor, locate the Settings option, typically on the left-hand side or in the Site Controls. Click Settings, then look for the section labeled Meta Pixel. Some interfaces may still reference Facebook Pixel, but it's the same integration. Click Meta Pixel to open the field where your Pixel ID goes. Have your Meta Pixel ID ready. You can find it in your Meta Events Manager. It's the numeric ID associated with your pixel, usually a long number labeled Pixel ID. Copy it exactly and paste it into the field in GoDaddy. Avoid extra spaces or characters, and if you manage multiple pixels, confirm you're using the correct one for this website so your data flows to the right place. With the ID in place, it's time to make the change live. Click Publish now. Publishing applies your settings to the live site so the pixel can begin tracking. Give it a moment to propagate. Caching and content delivery networks can take a short while to update. After publishing, a quick best practice is to verify the installation. You can use the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension or the Test Events tab in Events Manager to confirm the pixel is firing on page load. Visit a few pages on your site and look for signals like page view events. If you don't see activity right away, wait a couple of minutes and refresh. That's it. You went from logging in, opening your site, and navigating to Settings, to adding your MetaPixel ID and publishing. With tracking in place, you'll have clearer insights into your visitors and stronger ad optimization going forward.